Page 67. Radio communication failure. Should a VFR pilot experience a radio failure while flying in uncontrolled airspace, then they will return to the nearest aerodrome following joining procedures overhead that airfield for positioning in the circuit to land while continuing to make blind broadcasts en route to the airfield, joining overhead the airfield, positions following the circuit pattern, and once safely vacated the runway. In this instance, VFR pilots need to take note that they may only return to an airfield manned by ATC if there is an agreed radio communications procedure in place and published in the AIP for that airfield. If not, then they will need to consider diverting to the nearest unmanned aerodrome in that area. An example of such a broadcast is as follows. Traffic in the Special Rule South. Alpha Bravo Charlie, possible radio failure. Overhead the quarry at 6,500 feet. Returning to RAND. Any traffic on frequency, please respond or relay. Pilots experiencing a possible radio communication failure are also encouraged to broadcast on any alternate frequency, if the situation permits, as there is the possibility that the present frequency that they are broadcasting on is also faulty. When able to, a pilot is also required to complete a mandatory occurrence report following a suspected radio communications failure, as well as to make a note of this unserviceability in their relevant flight folio for that aircraft.